What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And if you ever wanted to change out your steering wheel trim, well, today I'm going to show you how. So if you've done this before, you know how simple it is, but when I went to do this the first time myself, I found no content on it, so I figured, you know what? Why not take it upon myself to make the content on it? So it's very simple, and I'm going to show you guys and walk you through it. If you ever want to upgrade your steering wheel trim to something, I mean, you can see I have, this is the OEM steering wheel trim. You can see the chrome, but we went ahead and we wrapped it with some carbon fiber vinyl wrap, and then right now we have some real carbon fiber. We're gonna go ahead and change that because this carbon fiber piece is actually for sale. So if you're interested in that, hit me up on Instagram and let's get started. Alright, so just to show you guys before we go ahead and do it, here's the vinyl wrap, here's the real carbon fiber. It's got the wet glossiness going on. I'm gonna put in the OEM piece to match a little bit of more of the interior I got going on, just because I feel like I'm gonna like this piece a little bit better for pictures. But yeah, I'm just going to show you before I go ahead and do it. It's basically going to just take a small flathead screwdriver, and I started from the right hand side and just gently pry it on the top and the bottom and just gently go around, and then it'll just pop right out. So obviously, yeah, you want to be super gentle, being that the OEM piece, just really brittle plastic or whatever this chrome nonsense is going on. So I mean, it'll pop out. You just got to be super patient. Alright, so here's the wheel looking all naked. I'm going to switch it back from this glossy wet carbon to the vinyl wrapped steering wheel trim, being that we have the vinyl wrap all around everywhere over here. It'll just match a little bit better, especially since we have the matte shifter and the matte carbon brake boot now. So the gloss wet carbon didn't really match as well, and plus it kind of gives, like, the gloss, I don't really love it. I had the gloss vinyl wrap for a while, and it gives off this like weird glare. It's like, I'm trying to show you guys, it's just always a little bit of a glare, and in pictures it always just, you see the glare, like it'll be half carbon and half like a big glare. So I mean, you can always edit that out. I've done pretty well learning how to mask certain things to cover little glares, but I really like the wet carbon. It just sucks that it's a glare since it's the gloss. But we're going back with the OEM and the vinyl wrap. And yeah, like I said, the wet carbon is for sale. So hit me up on Instagram if you're interested. So just to compare the two, the bottom is the real carbon fiber, the wet gloss. And then the top is the OEM vinyl wrapped with a matte black carbon fiber. And it actually looks pretty good. I've been actually really impressed with vinyl wrap. It looks really good. Obviously, I mean, real is better, but I kind of like it because then when I take pictures, it's not going to be this glare that you guys are seeing. The wet carbon looks really good. If you get the right angle, it's popping. It just sucks that there's that glare. So I'm not really the biggest fan of the gloss carbon fiber. I mean, the glossy wet looks good. I'm just really liking the matted black nowadays, really. Especially since it'll match everything a little bit better. So yeah, this piece is for sale. Yeah, and then putting it back in. Simple as just clipping it back in. one up and just do it one hand. Look at that. I love the mat. Honestly, I love the mat. See, it just matches the shifter a little bit better because the mat is just a little bit different than the gloss. The gloss looks so good too. It just doesn't really match the theme of what I got going on right now. But yeah, the mat is looking really good. See, a quick, sweet, short, simple DIY for you guys today. Like I said, I made this video because I couldn't find any content on this myself when I went to try to do this. So I learned the hard way, being that I didn't know exactly what I was doing. I didn't know if it was gonna work, and I didn't want to break anything, being that it is just very brittle plastic. But it worked out nicely, and I'm glad, I could provide some value and show you guys how simple it is for anyone who's interested in that. Like I said, we got this gloss wet carbon for sale, so hit me up on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button for your boy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.